Hi friends, welcome to the channel Soft Skills by Bala. Have you ever wondered why only men are love failures? If you look in the society, most of the times we find only men as love failures, but not women. What is the reason for it? Today, we shall find answers to some questions like why some people only give value to us, why others don't give us any value. Even in our family, why only some people, like our mother and father, value us a lot, why some of our siblings don't give us any value. Today, we shall see why a mother loves her children, but most of the times, children don't love the mother equally. Why the mother's love surpasses the love of the children. Why we give value to one certificate and not for the other certificate that we have earned. Why we give value to one dress that we have and not for the other? Why we give value to only our own house but not the house of the others? So we shall see the answers for all these questions in this video. Recently, I have been wondering what has happened to all my classmates. I started feeling nostalgic for them. I thought of finding out where they are and what they are doing. But surprisingly, I couldn't find 99% of my classmates in school. I studied in St. Alphonse High School, Karimnagar. Only I could find one or two, and they also belong to my own village. That is why I could find them. Or else, what happened to all others? Why only I am feeling sad for them? Where are they? Why are they not trying to contact me? I am active in social media. If my schoolmates were also active, they could have contacted me or they could have sent at least a friend request. But they did not do so. Similarly, my intermediate classmates, similarly my degree classmates, and also my PG classmates. I just started wondering where are they all? Why are they not trying to get in contact with me? But I tried a lot. I tried a lot to get into contact with as many people as possible, but I failed utterly. And then I started thinking, why? Why not the others trying to contact me? And then recently I read a book in which I found the answers. The author of the book says that only when people invest, they give value to it. As I have asked a question before, why do you give value to the one dress that you have and not for the other? Maybe because you have worked a lot to buy that dress. Maybe you have gone to different cities to find out the color and the design of that shirt. And then you must have spent a lot of money on it. So that is your investment on that shirt. That is why you give value to that shirt. And why don't you give value to the other shirt? Maybe it came as a present, or maybe you did not invest at all. Maybe a little bit of money you must have paid to get it. That is why you don't give any value to it. So, investment is the answer. Why people give us value and why not others give us value? Because Those people who give us value, maybe our father, our brother, sister, mother, these people must have spent some time with us. They must have invested some emotion in us. That is why they give us value. We have not come freely into this world. We have given a lot of pain to our parents when we came to this world. So our parents have invested pain, they have invested time, and our father has invested a lot of money. And that is why they give us value. Only those people who invest give value. Let me make it very simple. Imagine you have given 1 lakh rupees of debt to somebody as a help. That person has taken money from you. Who will remember it more? You or the person who has taken money? The answer is very simple. You will remember it more because you have given money. But the other person who has taken the money, he tries to forget it comfortably because it is not his money. So in case something happens, or he will find out some ways where he wouldn't repay. So the person who keeps money remembers it most. So that is what is investment. You invest, you spend money, then you give value. I have asked you a question. Why a mother loves her children more than the children love the mother? Because to give birth to the child, the mother suffers a lot. She has to invest a lot of time. 9 months the baby is inside her womb. And then for the baby to come out, the mother bears a lot of pain. And once the baby is out, the baby demands a lot of time again. And the mother has to feed the child. So the mother invests her money, her health, her emotion, her pain, everything into that child. That is why the mother gives the child a lot of value. But the child has not invested anything on the mother. Did the child pay money? No. Did the child spend time? No. Did the child feel pain? No. Nobody knows whether the child has felt pain or not. Nobody knows. So, the child has nothing in it. You can observe in the society, those children who spend a lot of time with parents give value to the parents. The children who don't spend time with the family members like father, mother, brother, sister, they don't give value to their family members because they are not investing. They are not investing their time, they are not investing their money. And that is why they don't give them any value. Why we give value to only our house but not the others' houses? The houses of others may be looking better. But still, we value only our house because we have invested money. We have worked a lot to find that place and construct our house. And that is why we love our house. So we invest. And now finally, let me give you the answer for the question, why only men are failures and not women? Sorry. Men are love failures because in most of the love cases, only men invest. Only this man thinks of the woman, so he is investing time. Only the man loses money to maintain the relationship, so the man is investing. Only the man feels emotion for that woman. That is why he gives value to that relationship. Only the man feels pain finally. So he is investing pain also in that relationship. So, see, friends, the man is investing his money, time, emotion, and pain. And because of all these reasons, he gives a lot of value to that relationship. But you look at from the woman's side. The woman has not invested anything. Only when she is free, she meets him. Only when she needs money, she meets him. Only to get rid of her pain, she meets him. She is not investing anything in that love relationship. And that is why she doesn't give any value to that relationship. So only when you invest, you give value to it. If you don't invest, you don't give any value to it. And that is why we find most of the times only men are love failures because men invest a lot and women don't invest. Women can easily go out of that relationship because they have not invested anything. Even if the relationship breaks, they don't lose anything. And that is why they easily go out of the relationship. But the men can't go out of the relationship because they have invested a lot. I have a lot of certificates in my home. A few of my family members and some people, some visitors from outside, they don't seem to give any value to those certificates. But I give them a lot of value. Why? Because I have invested a lot of time in getting each certificate. I have invested a lot of money in getting each certificate. And it was not simple at all to get any of my certificates. That is why I give value to them. So I put them in a file and then safeguard them. But the others don't give them any value. They look at it just as a paper. They think that it has no use at all. So friends, if you think your love relationship should be good, you make her also invest. If a woman is investing a lot, my advice to that woman is you make him also invest. Only when people invest, they give value to it. If you think your brother is not giving you any value, it means that your brother has not invested anything on you. So, you make him invest on you. Only when he invests in you, then he will give value to you. Similarly, anybody else. Make them invest, then they start giving you value. So, what are the types of investments? As I told you, money can be invested, time can be invested, emotion can be invested, pain can be invested. So, like that. People should invest something in order to give value. So, friends, I hope you have understood the concept of value, why people give value. People give value only when they invest. So make sure whether you are doing business or whether you are dealing with your family members, just ask a question. What is my investment and what is the investment of the other person? If the others are not investing anything, then they don't give it any value. So friends, I hope you have understood. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.